10 to 15 years, you double your geopolitical weight globally. So imagine this scenario for a moment. Imagine a block of, say, 20, 30 African countries, even African and other countries from the rest of the global south, as a block, coming together without China, coming together and saying, we want to co-design a joint industrial policy that we pre-negotiate on our terms, so that in that block you don't have, South Africa at the top of the hierarchy and Malawi at the bottom of the hierarchy, but really a truly just and equitable development process. And we as a bloc have all the resources, the youngest labor force, and we want to start real industrialization to replicate the entire value chain of manufacturing, for example, solar panels. We have all the resources, but we lack the manufacturing technology. The one country that is actually most likely willing to share technology is China, because it has the entire value chain that we want. So we go to China with the bargain of the century and say, look, if you share your technology, as in joint venture, it's not a gift, you partner with us.
It's not a gift.
In-kind contribution to replicate the entire value chain on terms that are favorable to us and this block of country, and start manufacturing and deploying renewable energy infrastructure at scale, here's what we give you in return. In 10 to 15 years, you double your industrial footprint globally. In 10 to 15 years, you double your geopolitical weight globally. And you secure access to these precious minerals that everybody's panicking about. In addition to that, because of the recent trade restrictions on Chinese high-tech products, batteries, EVs, and so on in Europe and the United States, we tell China, look, we in the global south, we're the global majority. We're the biggest consumer market on the planet, bigger than the US, Europe, Australia, Japan combined. The problem is we're not your customers yet because we don't have purchasing power. But if we truly industrialize and develop, we'll have purchasing power to give you the largest market on the planet. So I guarantee you China will accept this bargain.